What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be doing the gaming review on the new Samsung Galaxy A13 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe. So we have a few different games that we're going to test on this, but this is the new A13 5G. This is going to have a 90 Hz display. We are going to have a MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of internal storage. So with that, we're going to go ahead and test out 3 games and see how they run. We're also going to check to see what the highest graphic quality we can have on each of these games. So the first one's going to be Temp Run 2, second Call of Duty Mobile, and third, of course, PUBG Mobile. Let's go ahead and start this off. So obviously this is going to be a budget phone, and you know, a lot of people are like, why are you running Temp Run 2? I just do this just for a benchmark, just to see how this looks, and I'll go ahead and compare a few different devices to see how they run later on. But we have Temp Run 2 running right here. Device is actually really loud as well. We're gonna go ahead and turn that up. Everything looks good, the colors look good. There's no slowdown whatsoever so far, so I'm happy with this. Decent colors, decent graphics, runs very well, and you guys are gonna have no issues playing Temp Run 2. Next game we have right here, this is gonna be a little bit more intense, but it's going to be Call of Duty Mobile, and let's see how this runs. Alright guys, so we're in Call of Duty Mobile now. We're gonna go and check these settings out really quick as far as the graphics. Now, as far as the graphics, we're going to be set on low, and the frame rate is going to be set on medium, but if you would like to go ahead and increase them, you guys can go ahead and do so, and we're going to see how this looks on medium graphic quality, high frame rate, and dynamic graphic style. We're going to go and check this out. Alright guys, so we're loading in, and let's just see how this plays right now. It does look like the hit markers are a little bit late, so if that keeps happening, I'm going to go ahead and lower the graphic quality right now. It seems to be doing fine now, it just adjusted, but let's see if we can consistently have that going on here. Cool. Cool. Other than that, graphics look pretty good. This isn't running like crazy smooth, but it's definitely playable. And everything looks really, really good. Let's go and check the animations of this. Got a double right there. Let's go and check this out as well. Got a little knife in there. Everything's running decent now, for the most part. Like, really easy to play on this phone. You got a lot of space with that 6.5-inch display to just go ahead and game on here, but I'm really liking this experience so far. Triple kill. Ready, a little killer drone. Alright, we got our first Death right there. But yeah, everything is playing very well on this. Double. Let's go ahead and use these. Let's go ahead and end this. Yeah, everything ran very decently. Obviously, isn't going to run the smoothest, but the graphic quality definitely looks better than the A12, and it runs decent. All right, as you guys saw, Call of Duty Mobile ran very decently, and the last game we're going to go and check out is PUBG Mobile. This is definitely a classic for anybody who plays video games or mobile games. So let's go ahead and set this up and see how this runs. Alright guys, so now we are in PUBG and we're going to go ahead and start a game, and we're going to check the graphic settings once we get inside this game right now. So finally getting inside the settings and going to graphics. Let's see. So it says as far as our frame rate, we're going to be running it on high, and the graphics actually are set to HD, so that's pretty reasonable, to be quite honest. We can't go anywhere past HD, however. That is going to take a lot more power. But just walking around, everything looks good. The graphics look good so far. We're going to see if everything renders in properly. Oh, is that Spider-Man up there? That's sick. Yeah, I think it is. That's super dope. But we're going to go ahead and start this game in about 10 seconds and see how this goes. Alright guys, so taking a look at the topography, everything looks like it's already loaded in. This actually looks really good. This is better than the A12 as far as like the graphics. I don't think they were even rendered in on the A12. I may be wrong, but this looks really good. Like I can see little details on the ground from here, and I don't really tend to see that too much on budget devices. So this is definitely definitely a change of pace. But let's go ahead and drop and try to get a few eliminations. So we are now landing. The graphics did load in, so everything's looking good. Just got to go ahead and find a weapon, and I'll let you guys know if there's any slowdown or really anything wrong with this so far. Go find a weapon really quick. We have our backpack, we have our pan, the classic pan. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys play this game, and if you do, what is your favorite weapon to use? Definitely would like to know. For me, I would say the Scar. That is my weapon of choice in this game as far as my assault rifle, and I would say it was the same for the for Fortnite as well. We're gonna go ahead and pull up to this enemy though. Okay. Okay, I need to really get better at this game. There we go. Nice. So we got our first elimination right there. We need our assault rifle right there. Cool. So we have our first elimination right there. Graphics look decent though. Honestly, in my opinion, for the price of this device, you guys are definitely going to be able to game on this. And something that I forgot to mention is that I don't feel any warmness or heating on this device at all. And I played a couple games of Call of Duty Mobile off of camera, and we've been playing a few other games, so you know, that's nice to see that this isn't heating up, especially for the price. This device, as I said before as well, you have a lot of space to actually go ahead and, you know, use the virtual controller on your screen, so there's not going to be an issue there. And I actually do have really big hands and, you know, thick thumbs and stuff like that, so you know, for the average person, this isn't gonna be too hard to use. So oh, we got another enemy right here. Let's go and try the first person mode. Man, the recoil on this, love it. Wow, that weapon is powerful. Running good though so far. Definitely a playable game. I'd like to see how the vehicles run on this phone, and we still don't have any heating issues on this device at all, so that's a really good sign. Alright guys, so we found our first little side-by-side vehicle right here. So we're gonna see how this runs. You got our horn. So the graphics are loading in pretty decently, as well as the shadowing right there. Looking good though, looking good, Galaxy A13. I was kind of nervous about the 700 Dimensity chip, and I'm feeling pretty confident now, to be quite honest. You know, MediaTek is definitely warming up to me. We have seen them around for the last, I don't know how many years now, since I've been making videos. So since we have a chip shortage and all of that, obviously we're not going to be going with many Snapdragon, many Qualcomm chips, but looks good, plays well, and you can definitely play this competitively, and you guys should be fine on this game. But if there's any other games you guys want me to test out, we'll do individual videos for those games. There's just so many people asking about multiple different games, so I'll do my best to go ahead and make videos on those. But PUBG Mobile runs pretty nicely on the Galaxy A13 5G. So yeah, guys, I have to say that I'm pretty impressed with what Samsung has done with this device. We had no heating issues whatsoever. This didn't even actually get warm, which is really cool. We played a few games of Call of Duty, a game of Temp Run, and some PUBG Mobile. So definitely a decent phone for gaming on the budget. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. But if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.